Hi YouTube, this is my first video on electrical tutorials. I'm going to talk about the start button today, but before we continue, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So what is the start button and how does it work? How is it important to us? Well, the start button is different from the stop button. The most different about the start and stop button is that the start button, it's normally open, and the stop button is normally closed. So how does this characteristic of being a normally open switch or button helps us? Well, when we press this button, it comes back to its original position because it has got a switch with it, and thus it comes back to its original position of being a normally open switch. It is used to actually bridge the contactor or to make the complete circuit, to complete the circuit, so that when the circuit is complete, the coil is energized and will keep the contact closed. So the start button becomes very much important to us because of its characteristic. Another thing we may observe about the start button is that it has got a light on it. We may choose to actually, when we close the circuit, such that our light, the light in the start button, is actually lit. So now we've got two ports where we can actually wire this button. We've got the top part here, which, as you can see, let me zoom in, it's actually lit normally open, and the bottom part here, this bottom part, as you can see here, that's where we can wire our light for this switch here, and this part also here. So we need to wire it. It has got you have to wire it with a neutral and with a phase. Okay. So these characteristics of this button helps us, or help you and I, to actually design the circuit on how you want it to be. You can choose to actually wire this in such a manner such that when you complete your circuit, you wire it and you have your light lit also. Or you may choose not to actually have that characteristic, or actually not to have it lit when your circuit is complete. Well, at the end, I would say, so transparent at restoring technology, but so transparent at representing technology.